Look up on a clear, dark night. Find that faint, fuzzy smudge of light between the constellations. That is not a star. That is an entire universe, the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest major galactic neighbor, and the most distant object you can see with your naked eye. But what would it take to actually journey there? To cross that ocean of nothingness? First, let's grasp the scale. That faint light you see? It left Andromeda 2.5 million years ago. When that photon began its journey, our earliest human ancestors were just learning to walk upright on the African savanna. We are seeing Andromeda as it was in the deep, deep past. Now the distance, 2.5 million light years. A single light year is about 588 trillion miles. Multiply that by 2.5 million. The number is so vast it loses all meaning. So let's try a thought experiment. Imagine we could build a ship capable of reaching the fastest speeds humans have ever achieved. The Parker Solar Probe, which will touch the sun at about 430,000 miles per hour. At that blistering, impossible for a speed, the journey to Andromeda would take about 4 billion years. You would depart when the first single-celled life was just forming in Earth's oceans. You would arrive, well, long after our sun has died. This is the first humbling truth of the journey. With our current understanding of physics, it is a voyage not for a person, or even for a civilization. It is a voyage for a species that has evolved across cosmic epochs. But what if we dream bigger? What if we could travel at a significant fraction of light speed? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as you approach the speed of light, time itself slows down for you. On a ship traveling at 99.9% the speed of light, the crew might experience only a few decades of travel time. But back on Earth, over 2.5 million years would have passed. You wouldn't just leave your home. You would leave your entire evolutionary future behind. And what would you find when you arrive? A trillion stars, swirling in a colossal spiral disk twice the size of our Milky Way. You would see nebulae, star clusters, and likely planets beyond counting. You might witness the aftermath of cosmic collisions, the birth of superstar clusters, and in about 4.5 billion years, you would have a front-row seat to the most spectacular event in our local galactic future. The slow, majestic merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda, combining to form a new giant galaxy, Milkdromeda. So, the journey to Andromeda is impossible for us today. It may always be impossible for physical beings like us. But it is not a useless dream. It is the ultimate perspective check. It teaches us the true scale of our cosmic address, the fragility of our moment in time, and the breathtaking beauty of what lies beyond our own tiny stellar island. We may never make the voyage, but we are already on the journey of looking up, wondering, and reaching out with our minds to touch the light from another world.